Do you hear it? It's the sound of peace. Man, I've been so stressed the last couple of weeks, you guys. So today, I decided it was time to chill. I want you to chill too. We're gonna start out with some nice, big, long, deep breaths. You ready? Breathe in through the nose. Oh yeah. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. In. Oh yeah. You feel it in your soul, 'cause I do. Okay, let's go explore this place. Just so happens it's really, pretty and stuff, and there's flowers everywhere. Might as well, enjoy them, right? Ooh, I see some real good flowers over there. Let's go check them out. I bet they smell so pretty, just like Valentine. Ooh. Ooh, there's even an ant in there. See that? Ooh. Yeah. Puts me in the mood for some baked bread and butter. I love butter. 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 Oh, look, it's a seagull, dude. Hey, Mr. Seagull. I'm gonna call you William. William R. Seagull. He has no eyes. That's really freaky! Follow the red brick road, follow the red brick road. We're on our way to happiness. Follow the red brick road. Woo! Wind chimes! Yay, yay, yay. La, 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 la. Ooh. I think I upset the birds. Ooh, the sun! It's so bright! Huh. Ow, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes! Don't do that! Ow, ow, ow. Smells like chicken! Woo! A magical crystal orb. I bet we could read the future with this thing. And those must be gypsy turtles? Hello, Mrs. Gypsy Turtle. I'd like to have my future told.
Yes, you want your future told, do you, little annoying pink shirt wearing dog?
Hey, that's not very nice, but yeah, I do.
Look into the crystal ball and tell me what you see.
I saw Valentine.
Yes, child, and what do you think that means? Oh my gosh, I got a spider on my neck! Oh, get it off! Get it off! Ah, la, 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 la.
Get out of here, Mr. Spider! Nobody likes you! She's trying to tell me my future and stuff! Get out of here! Get out of here! Shoot!
So, this Valentine, is she special to you?
Yeah, I like her a whole lot.
I see, child. Perhaps you are meant to be with this Valentine.
Yes, but you are too stupid to see what you have right in front of you.
Perhaps he is not ready for this revelation, sister. Yes, perhaps he's not.
Huh, Valentine.
Now, child, go and reflect on what we said. Search your feelings a little and see what you find. La, 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 la.
Okay. Thanks? I just realized something. My leg is missing. Oh!
You don't have a need for that stupid leg. It's not like you move around or anything. anymore, you fat lard, but for the past 5 centuries, all we've done is sit here and stew in our own juices. 5 centuries? Isn't that a little bit, I don't know, much? Silence, you fool! I know all, you know nothing. You are but a biscuit in a stream, all soggy and wet. Oh dear, I just realized my leg is missing too. Ay. Shut up, or I squish head like Barry. Oh no, ay. Oh no, he's back.
Could you guys keep it down? I'm trying to have a very peaceful and serene day here. Okay? You know, skipping about in the flowers, enjoying the scenery, making a vlog about it. I don't think they appreciate it much either.
Hey man, you looking for something? Maybe I can hook you up.
No thanks, unless you can hook me up with, some pixie dust. I've always wanted to fly.
Pixie dust? Man, are you 2?
I am not 2! What, do I look 2 or something?
Hey man, you really want me to answer that? If I were you, I'd just be on my way.
And that, kids, is why you don't talk to raccoon dealers, 'cause they're meanies! Big, fat meanies!
Hey man, what you say about my mama?
I didn't say anything about his mom. I'm sure she's nice, though. Nicer than you!
Hey man, low blow, man. Low blow.
Holy corn dogs! Baby deer! Hi, little guys! My name's Sparky. What's yours?
Hi, I'm Babby! Change my poopy diapers! I'm getting high off this flower!
This is a huge pine tree. Oh, it's gigantic. Ow! 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 My paws. I wonder if I could find a 4-leaf clover. Nope. Not here. Certainly not over here. I give up. Do you see the birds? There's one right there. He doesn't know that I'm watching him. Hey, birdie. Aw, man. Where did he go? These here are blueberry bushes. With no blueberries. That's only because they really grow in the summertime, and sadly, we're not here in the summertime. And I really wanted to eat some blueberries, man. Is that too much to ask? Just to have some blueberries? Blueberries are mighty fine. Oh, wow. What kind of flowers are these? They smell awful. Like Reese's dirty old socks. Ew. Ooh, the fire pit. This is where we filmed Oregon Vlog number 3. I think it was called Bird, Baby, Bird, Bird, Baby, Bird, Bird, Bird. There it is. Man, it's been a long time. Old fire pit. You and your fire pittiness, where we burn stuff and laugh as the fire engulfs its sorry victims. I hope nobody else heard that. That was kind of scary. Anyways, up there is the fire pit duck of fire pittiness. See the duck? It's because he was burned alive and then taxidermized and glued to the pole. Let's ring the bell and awaken its spirit from the land of the dead. Wake up, Mr. Duck! Wake up!
Who dares disturb me?
I suppose that would be me, your duckiness.
Why would you disturb me? Don't you know I've been through enough pain already? I burned to death! I burned alive! Do you know what that feels like? No, because you are not burned alive!
You're no fun to talk to. Come on, tell me something interesting or I'm leaving.
Well, there was this guy who's dyslexic and he walked into a bra.
I don't get it.
Oh, come on! I know you want to hear another joke! Don't leave me here alone! You summoned met me for a reason! Come on, man! It's not like I'm the ugly duckling or something!
I summoned you for entertainment purposes, and you didn't do your job! So, yeah, bye! Huh.
Please, somebody help me off this pole. Please?
Shh! Look, it's a gopher hole! You know how Alice from Alice in Wonderland goes through the rabbit hole? What would happen if we went through the gopher hole? Wanna find out? Here we go!
What the heck? Whoa! Where are we? Everything's so funny colored! And my voice sounds weird too! Whee! I can fly! Without any pixie dust! This is the greatest day of my whole life!
Woo! So many yellow flowers skipping through the flowers and in the fields of dreams. This here is paradise, it's where I long to be.